Name and background.
Hello, my name is Gerald Arellano. Background sa sayaw siguro, I've been dancing since 2015 up until now. So, magde 10 years na, I think, sa March. I think, sinuryoso ko yung dance noong 2015, pero ever since I was a kid, sumasayaw na talaga ako. Alam niyo yun, mga recitals lang. Yun lang.
What makes you move?
Well, basic. What makes a dancer move? I move with the music. Alam mo. Pag nakarinig ka ng music, mapapag-groove ka na agad eh. And that makes me move. Easy as that. Yeah.